Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Harry here. So today we're going to talk about the while loops, right? So what is a while loop, right? So the most arising questions about the while loop is uh, basically where we're going to use a while loop, right? So and what we're going to make today with the help of while loop. So this is a very interesting questions, and a while loop is a control flow structure in programming that allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly as long as the specific condition is true. So a statement need to be a true when the while loop will be able to execute those command, right? It's provide a way to perform iterate task until a certain condition is met. So basically like when we are in a bank, like they allowed us three time to input our password. Because of the while loop, there's allowed us three time. There's a condition over there that if you input more than three time wrong, then basically your card is locked. So similarly with entering the password into any login, uh, I'm like in any login, you basically they will automatically like say you to reset your password or forgotten password options because of the while loop. So I will give you a rough example with a small algorithm how to build the while loop, right? Especially a password kind of stuff, right? So let's say password. Right, let's make an let's make an easy example, right? Let's say password. So it can be anything. Let's say like alpha, right? Beta, let's say 1 2 3, and let's add some special character, right? Let's say and let's say percentage, right? So we add this special character over here, right? So this is in our string, right? This is in our string, and now we have to make an algorithm. So basically I'm going to use a only single block for coding this algorithm. I will say user input, where our user will input, this is the variable been declared where user going to input his password, and we're going to save over here, and I will say enter your password, right? So this will be the variable which will initiate our password, right? And I will say while while user, right, user input is not equal to, where the condition says if it is not equal to password, right? If it's not equal to password, then the print should be incorrect password, and I will say try again. Okay, and I say try again, then user input equal to, then where it will give a chance to enter the password again, and I will say enter your password, right? So it will say again enter your password, then if the password is correct, then print should be access, right, granted. Okay, so it should be access granted. Okay, so I'm gonna run this now. Our program is running, so I'm gonna type any wrong password, right, random. So it says incorrect password, and in numerical value it's incorrect password, and name numerical value, I'm like character numerical value, and any special character. There you go, it's still saying incorrect password. So if I say alpha, right, and I say beta, right, and I say 1 2 3 and percentage, now it says access granted, right? So guys, so it's very easy, and hopefully you guys will enjoy watching this video, and I will see you on next video, and I will make one more video now while loop, then we'll move on to functional programming, then classes, then the Python inbuilt function, right? Cheers guys, and see you later.